Right, this afternoon, Katie, you're going to perform a microcurrent on a dummy head. Now, let's look at our unit. You've set up your trolley wonderfully. So you've got all your cleansers and toners and moisturisers that's about, and we've got some attachments as well. So, can you give me an indication of where you would place that attachment?
Inside a dampened sponge,
Why do we need a dampened sponge?
so that the current conducts through into the body.
Okay.
And it stops
So we're
burning.
classing that as the anode, and this is going to be classed as your cathode, even though it's the active electrode. Now we've got a selection here of different attachments. You just want to tell me about the different attachments that you'll be using in your treatment.
Yeah, so the roller goes all over the face, mainly on the neck area really. Mushroom again, main areas of the face. The ball and the pointy one is sort of your contour areas and your small areas for toning.
Okay, now would we use a medium or not with this piece of equipment?
Yeah.
So our medium would be a microcurrent gel, which breaks down the resistance to the currents, and obviously we're repelling extracts of the medium into the skin with that. Now, how much of that product would you distribute over the face? All of it, or?
Probably 3/4 of it, but then use the rest after to reapply to then move on to a massage.
Okay, so this treatment with the different attachments is going to take approximately 15 minutes. So as you're changing your attachments, I would suggest that you look at the medium and indicate whether or not that you need to apply some more to the contours there. Okay, so it's a nice pink gel. Obviously when it goes onto the tissues, yes, it can become quite transparent with that one. Right, now we're looking at our unit here. This one indicates on and off. This is your microcurrent section, and obviously this is your galvanic. Now, one is your intensity and one is your frequency. How is that pattern going to be reinforced within the 15 minutes of your treatment?
So the intensity is what's comfortable for the client. We can turn it up or down, usually about 2 or 3, and then the frequency we will increase throughout the treatment so that it pushes more product into the skin.
So basically, every time we change an attachment, there is a sequence in which we use them. Obviously, the smaller attachment heads, we're going to have a higher intensity and frequency with them. What should our client, if it was a real client rather than a dummy head, be feeling?
Sort of a mild tingling sensation really, or a warmth.
Okay. Now, I'll leave you, yes, to apply the gel with your mass brush all over the face and the neck, and then we'll obviously see you doing the technique over the area.
Right, bit of a predicament.